Here's the thing, you can't Photoshop images when it comes to removing background or watermark. What's the easiest way? Let's find out. Remove.bg is a completely free and extremely easy to use website. You upload any image and boom! It removes the background in seconds. It is also able to remove green screen as well as any background image. If you click on edit, you will get an option to add a background or erase or restore background where you can manually edit the image. But remember to download after editing. You can also copy and paste the image from web if you want. And it will work perfectly. ePowerSoft's Watermark Remover is a safe and easy website for removing watermarks from photos and videos as well. When you click on Remove Watermark from Photo, choose the desired photo and click on Open. Now move and resize the rectangular box to cover the watermark completely. Then click on Erase. Lastly, click on Download Files to save the image to your computer. The watermark is completely gone. Hey, I hope you liked that video. Click on the eye icon here to view the Techno Geo playlist. See you in the next one. Peace.